Oh my God. Becky, look at those books. They're so big. They look like one of those book nerd fantasies, but you know, who understands those book nerds anyways? They only read because they're like total dorky intellectuals. I mean, that book is just so hefty. It looks like a door stopper. Gross. They're just so thick.
I like big books that cannot lie. Other people can't deny. When a book sits there, when it brings bunch of pages, you roll up plot and you get swelled. When it pulls out your glasses, it's new that book got massive. Deep in the pages you're reading, you're hooked and you can't stop needing. That book you want to get with it, just you never quit it. My bedtime tries to warn me. That book makes me want to scream. You want some still skin, your story's just too thin. So read on, cause